On the balance sheet, I can show you something in this new year in 2015. You'll recall the details button. I'm going to click that on cash. And now I get the details of my current year and prior year cash. But we imported the entire GL, so we have much more detail here available to us. I'm going to double click on checking. And what I get when I do that is all of the checking transactions from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. And then I can dive deeper if I want to. Maybe I notice this transaction that I need to further investigate. Double click on that, and now I have the transaction detail for this transaction. From here, I can go back to that same account, which we were looking at checking, or I can pick another account. So I just double clicked on federal withholding, and now I have the balance detail of federal withholding from the very beginning of the year to the end of the year. So this could be very powerful if you're either looking into what's in a balance or needing some detail to support something. For any one of these, I'm going to go back to checking here. We can generate a printout sheet. So I'm going to click on that button. So my balance sheet and my statement of cash flows stay in place, but a new worksheet will appear, and this is quite a big one because it has all the details of checking for the whole year. And I could point out this GL button here does exactly the same thing as what we just did. It just does it for all the accounts. So I have the checking balance, and since this is now an Excel format in a worksheet, I can do whatever I want with this, all the normal Excel functions. So maybe I want to sort from largest to smallest. So we can do that. Data sort. So let's sort on column H, the credits. Largest to smallest. So whatever account this is, checking or AP or anything, we could take the top 20 or however many transactions it is for your sample to test, and then the remainder balances we could very easily sample from here using Excel's random function and create a sample to test as well. And the entire time having access to even further details if we wanted. So I'm going to go back to the bottom here, and if I click on unadjusted balance as of 12/31/15, there I get my GL detail in its original format again, so I can dive deeper if I want to. Go to our website, excel-fsm.com, and download your 30-day free trial that lets you have a full version of the software for 30 days.